I know you by your phone, so boy pick up your line. I ain't too proud to beg, so what's been said has been said. And I need
fucking with Barbie, tasted my pink Bob Marley. I got the whole army as Charlie, unchunky Barbie.
It is Saturday, March 26th. I got my hair done like 3-4 days ago. This morning I just did me 2 edges right here on the side. These are Cambodian, I think that's how you say it, Cambodian bundles. These are what you call like raw unprocessed bundles. I think this is my first time having this type of hair. It's definitely a big difference in this hair versus, you know, just the regular bundles. And also the girl who installed this Instagram will be in my description, so make sure you go check her out. She's in Houston, and also the Hair Boutique just opened a spot in Houston as well, so the hair and the stylist in Houston. Okay, period. Right now I'm about to go pick up my aunt and my little cousin. We're about to go to the mall, and then we're gonna get something to eat after that, and then I don't know what else I'm doing today. Oh, I did want to get my eyebrows waxed. The hair is growing in places that it's not supposed to be, okay? So I'm gonna try to get my eyebrows done later on. Other than that, tomorrow I'm hosting a like women's brunch, women's event type of thing at this place in Houston called Parma. It's like a lounge, like a chill lounge, turn up type thing. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I pick up my aunt, because I gotta show y'all her hair. I wouldn't believe I did my first quick weave. She had a video of this girl installing her own quick weave, like an up down ponytail. She asked me to help her, but I ended up just doing the whole thing, and it actually came out really cute. Hopefully it shouldn't mess up her hair already, because I just did it last night. I don't think me a little quick weave. Okay, Arrogant Jay. Hey girl. Let me see the hair though.
Oh, hold on. I ain't got no earrings on. I gotta get some earrings.
Get some earrings, girl. You might find you a man today.
I was trying to hurry up and stuff, and she was rushing me.
I said 1 o'clock. She was like, okay, we could do 1. I'm in the car. It's 1:30. I was waiting. I used to sell these scrunchies, and she had one. I'm like, let me borrow that, but you know, y'all know how it is. I said I want to borrow it, but I'm really borrowing it until she remembers or until she asks for it back. Hey. You with us today?
Boo.
What's your name? Tell them your name. Oh, you always doing the most on the camera.
Camera booty.
Why are kids always talking about booty? Y'all notice that? Kids always talking about booty. Like, what? Where did y'all get that from? And why are y'all so mesmerized with butts? And he got that from school. I come in his juice boxes. Whew. His juice boxes be so good.
That's not for girls, that's for boys.
This is for everybody. This is for kids.
The boys.
Kids.
Boys.
Anybody can drink a juice box.
No.
Yes. Y'all, and that is baguettes. Ow! Stop pulling my hair.
Sorry.
Crazy.
Crazy booty.
Why are you talking about booty? Stop saying booty. Stop. That's nasty. Don't say booty.
Oh, you say that.
I'm telling you, don't say it.
No, you don't say it.
No. Did you find your earrings, girl?
Service, say my name, make them nervous.
Bitch, I got my own. If I don't need security in the club, all they woofing on the net, nigga. I thought you was a thug. I ain't got nowhere to go. I shot up everywhere they would. Yeah, you know who took this shit from you. Come get it back in blood. Bitch, come get it back in blood. We ain't mask up, no Dodge Riggs. Niggas know who it was. It's stolen shit just like the 80s. Want some back, get it in blood. Yeah, you know who took this shit from you. Come get it back in blood. If a nigga killer ain't dead, you sure no R&B shirts. We had 300 shots up in the car before we picked up 30. Niggas who ain't got shit going, go grab a glizz and get alert. Shots to people's RP and reason.
It has peach, passion fruit, it has patchouli and vanilla, all these really, really good notes. It's Italian. It's only been in the United States for a year. But this is overseas, Dubai, Italy, of course. These are like very different from most of these brands because everything that we make is an extra. So like on the paper, it doesn't do it justice, but when you put it on, like it just leaves such a beautiful kind of lingering smell. It's like dainty, basically. That's the best way to explain it.
Oh, I don't know if I like it anymore. I like the one that you.
The Kirkay?
Yeah.
That one's really
Is
good.
this the bottle too? Or that's a different bottle?
Yeah, that's a different.
Yeah, I just sprayed it.
So beautiful.
Pretty. That,
Yeah.
this is
Yeah.
so cute.
And they smell incredible. So Talia and Orza. Talia's very fresh. Orza's very fruity floral.
Okay, girl. You better get your pictures. You better. Are they cute? I don't think she like them, y'all. Let's see if she make them take some more. She ain't like them. She ain't like this side. She want to do it this way. Don't have me in the background, because you going to zoom in and see my camera facing you. If this car don't move, we trying to be nosy. Okay. And ooh. Anyway.
Bitch, come get it back in blood. We ain't masked up, no Dodge Riggs, niggas know who it was. It's stolen shit just like the 80s. Want some back, get it in blood. Yeah, you know who took that shit from you, come get it back in blood. If your nigga killer ain't dead, you sure no RP shirt. We had 300 shots up in the car before we picked up dirt. Niggas who ain't got shit going, go grab a glizz and get alert.
Hey y'all, I just got back home. I did not have enough time to get my eyebrows done. I'm probably just gonna use a small razor and just cut it off in the meantime. Tomorrow I'm probably still not gonna have time, so yeah. Hold on, where's my phone? The first store I bought something was Morphe. I've been needing another setting spray. I've been struggling, y'all. My makeup just been feeling out of place, like I was out of setting spray, so I needed some of that. I didn't buy any of that perfume, but the lady had stopped me and she wanted me to smell them. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all, that perfume that I was smelling, it really did smell good. But the other store that I went to was Balenciaga. I did see some other shoes that I liked, especially the Balenciaga cheetah print shoe. Y'all seen that had the little heel on there? That one was so bomb. I might have to be my next cop. But this time, I got a big old bag. Y'all, why did they put these shoes in this big old bag? When I be in the mall, it'd already be stressful. This bag really made me just ready to go, because I was walking down and one lady was like, that bag bigger than you. And I'm like, yes, honey, it's, yeah. Before we even get into these shoes, if you're new here, I love bulky shoes. I love bulky bags. The shoes I had on today are super bulky. The laces are bulky. Everything about this shoe is bulky. These shoes I had my eye on for a while. They didn't have the color that I wanted. So these were actually the last pair that they had in the store. I wanted the black ones, but I ended up getting the gray ones. Girl, move! These are Balenciaga shoes, but this is their collab with Croc. I also tried on these pink Balenciaga Croc ones. It was kind of just giving too much Croc with a heel on it. So I'm not spending my money on that one. Somebody else gonna have to gift that to me, because I just can't see myself doing that. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just like, they're cute, but it's like not buying myself that. So I went with these just because I love Crocs. The boot is so sexy to me. Like, y'all, look at this. I feel like these will last a long time. They're actually really comfortable to me, and it's kind of giving like a rain boot, or you can wear it as a regular boot. Like I said, I wanted the black pair to these. I even wanted the green pair, but they didn't have the green pair, the black pair. I don't know if it's a white pair, I'm not sure, you have to look it up. But the gray pair, I didn't know it was a gray pair. So when I seen the gray ones, I'm like, so I kept looking around. I've already been eyeing them, so I'm like, let me just get them. I usually wear a US 7, and these are 35. If I order a shoe, I need to go try it on in the store, especially expensive things like this. I need to make sure that it's the right size, because I don't like sending things back. I think I might actually wear the boots tomorrow. I have an outfit that I had pulled out earlier, and I didn't even know what shoes I was gonna wear with it. Now just imagining the outfit, the boots will go. I'll see how it looks when I try it on tomorrow, but yeah, that's it, y'all. I took my dog to the groomers the other day. I don't go to PetSmart no more. They didn't piss me off for real, because they always making her look like a naked mole rat. I go to this other little place. They do really good. Please look at what they did. My aunt called them streamers. I mean, that's what they look like. She's been trying to bite them. Come here. She looks so cute. This is my kid. They cute, but it's like, what were y'all trying to do? Are they supposed to be bows? Are they supposed to be like, what is it supposed to be? Braids? Like, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. I'm about to clean up, chill, watch my show.
in the club. Gun faces up on me dirty, I went got it out the mud. If I took some, get it in blood, I don't give a fuck where we was. Bitch, I got my own, if I don't need security in the club. All they woofing on the net, nigga, I thought you was a thug. I ain't got nowhere to go, I shot up everywhere they was. Yeah, you know who took that shit from you, come get it back in blood. Bitch, come get it back in blood. We ain't mask up, no Dodge Rex, niggas know who it was. It's doing shit just like the 80s. Want some back, get it in blood. Yeah, you know who took that shit from you, come get it back in blood.
Killed your man, you keep on talking, better get that shit in blood. Kill my shorty, them a dub, then they gon' walk inside the club. Hit his little ass with that switch, I bet that switch up his nerve. Fuck the opposites out my city, little bro, put them in the mud. You can't come back to your hood, huh? No. He was dissing on my cousin, now his ass all in that wood, huh? Book his ass, I wish he would come. V-Roy pop up at that car with that new Glock, I wish he would run. His ass playing, bitch, I'm really icy, really icy. Who shicey, that's my dog. But cool, you know I'm really shicey. You told all them OT niggas that you really slide. But tell the truth about your game, bitch, they really died, gang.
Bitch, I got my own, if I don't need security in the club. All they woofing on the net, nigga, I thought you was a thug. I ain't got nowhere to go, I shot up everywhere they was. Yeah, you know who took that shit from you, come get it back in blood.
Today is Wednesday. The last time y'all see me was on Sunday. Y'all will not believe what happened. So I finished my vlog on Sunday and was gonna have it ready to upload on Monday for y'all. While when I was getting ready to upload it, I don't know what I was doing. I wasn't paying attention. I don't know. I like to keep my computer clear. I low-key need another computer that has more storage so I don't have to delete stuff. But I was just deleting stuff and I totally forgot that I just saved my video. So I wasn't supposed to delete my final draft of the video. And I deleted it, y'all. I deleted my whole video. And not only that, I know you can recover from the trash, but I went to the trash and I deleted everything from the trash. And then I was like, wait a minute, where's my video? Because it wasn't in iMovie anymore. Like, y'all, I deleted everything. I don't know what I was doing. So if you've seen on my IG story, I had put that I had a video to upload, but I deleted it all. So yeah, I was gonna try to rush and redo it, but I didn't really want to rush. And then I was kind of upset because I put all that work in doing the editing. So here I am, still vlogging for y'all. But anyways, y'all see my hair has changed. I got my hair redone today. Well, this is a whole new install. This is actually a wig and we cut it into a bob. Right now I'm on the way to karaoke with my friends. So I'm on the way now to meet them there. It's 10:15 right now. We're probably just gonna stay till they close, and I think they close at 1. So my allergies have been messing up so freaking bad. Like, I don't know if y'all really see or not, but my right eye is kind of red. It's way better than it was yesterday. That's why I didn't want to pick up the camera yesterday. It was really red, and me just rubbing it just made it worse. It feels much better than it did yesterday. I know I still need some glasses so I don't have to wear these contacts all the time. Like, I really need to get some glasses because really I need to give my eyes a break anyway, because I wear contacts 24/7. And sometimes sleep in them, and I'm not supposed to sleep in them, I know. But I do. I just want to feel normal sometimes, okay? Sometimes I want to feel normal. I don't think I'll ever feel normal because, y'all, even when I wear my contacts, I can't just see the world clearly. I'm jealous of people who got 20/20 vision because I just want to see the world with y'all eyes. I just said this, though, that I wanted to get LASIK, but I ain't for real about it, but I am. Even with the contacts, it's not given. Like right now, I can see, but it's just, is something wrong with my eyes? Okay, no, we're not gonna talk about that. Y'all know how it is. People who wear glasses, who wear contacts, it's just hard out here for us. Anyways, y'all, I'm about to pull up. I'm gonna bring my camera in with me so y'all can see a little bit. And one of my other vlogs actually went with one of my friends. I didn't film a lot and we didn't go on karaoke night, but we had went and we had a hookah and it was just like a vibe. Anyways, I'm gonna see y'all in a minute.
We're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know the Vegas? Now we're in Houston. We're definitely going down. Goddamn.